Welcome. We're at it again with another installment of our ongoing Mixology at Home series. I'm Shannon Healy and this is Alley 26, and today we're going to do a little cocktail called the corn and oil. Now there's many variations of this cocktail. It goes back to the 1700s in Barbados. We're not going to do a uber traditional version. We're going to do kind of a fancier, gussied up version of this, but if you like rum and you like Falernum, and you should, you're going to like this cocktail. So this is going to be a crushed ice cocktail, so I think the first thing we're going to do is crush some ice. I'm just going to take a Lewis bag and some ice. And my handy dandy mallet and give it a go. Just like that. And voila, you have crushed ice. Okay. I'm going to build a drink and I'm going to top it with ice and give it a quick swizzle here. So this drink is pretty simple. Originally, it was just Barbados rum and Falernum, which is a syrup that they flavor non-alcoholic cocktails and actual cocktails with in Barbados traditionally. It's got a lot of like allspice and other flavor notes along with lime zest. So it goes great with rum. So we're going to put, first and foremost, we're going to put some Falernum. I'm going to put ½ ounce of Falernum in here. And just in case we're not getting enough of those spice notes, I'm going to sneak in a couple of dashes of the angostura bitters to kind of balance out the fact that the Falernum is a syrup. A couple of ounces of this Barbados 5-year from Plantation. And then, probably don't need to go through the whole Swizzle ordeal, but it's kind of fun. Okay, there's some crushed ice. I don't know if I can get away with that one. Oh yeah, it wants to be in there. Okay. And there we go, we're swizzling. There we have it. I'm gonna kind of top it with just a little more crushed ice, and then add, kind of for show and really more for the nose, and to give the drink, as a nod to the drink's name, corn and oil, I'm going to float a little dark rum right here on top. There we go, and you can see that makes a pretty wash line. There's a little dehydrated lime, and there we have it, the corn and oil. Enjoy.